It's Monday, June 2nd, 2014, current time 10:11 GMT. Jay Meisler here with the daily Forex trading outlook. We had the short squeeze on Friday. We had a dollar higher, lower, I'm sorry. Didn't follow through. Come back on Monday, and the market's now looking ahead to the ECB meeting, and the euro has come under some pressure. It's still within its 130, above its 135.84 low from last week. It's now traded 136 for the fourth day in a row. And as those who follow me know, the longer one of these patterns go on, we trade around a big figure, such as 136, the greater chance of a directional move once it gets the pattern is broken. So you have to watch 136, how the euro dollar trades. Will give you a clue as to whether how much of the ECB is discounted and how much risk there is on the downside. I address the ECB meeting and how much is discounted in my monthly newsletter, which I'll show you later. In the meantime, we're sitting here at 136. We have some U.S. data out today. Data's been on the positive side. Have to watch bond yields in the 250 level, 2.50%, and see how it trades versus there. Otherwise, here we are with the euro at 136. Here are key levels to watch, and I think these are important. Look at the weekly chart. You got this trend line right here, comes in 134.23, right over here. If that gets broken, 1.30, how's this for writing, huh? 23. Keep that on your blotter for the week, but we'd have to take out this 134.75 level, which is, or 70 level, which is major support here for this to come under attack. You look at the daily chart. It's June 2nd, 2014. Current time is 10:12 GMT. Jay Meisler here with the daily Forex trading outlook. We're coming off Friday where we had a short squeeze in the euro. We had the dollar correct for month end. And here we are back focusing on the ECB meeting, and the dollar is a touch firmer. And euro dollar has now traded 136 for the fourth day in a row, although it's held above last week's 135.84 low. Why 136 is important? When these patterns go on, it's 4 days in a row trading it. The longer it goes on, the greater chance of a directional move once it's broken. So you got to keep an eye on 136. It's probably going to set the euro dollar tone going forward. Question is how much of the ECB decision is an easing is discounted. We won't know that till Thursday. May have an inkling before, but in the meantime, euro dollar seems prepared to at least have a limit on its upside, unless we take out 136.50, which was Friday's level and Friday's high and one of my magic levels. Now, as far as the ECB goes, you got inflation coming up, Eurozone inflation coming out on Tuesday. So at a minimum, that's going to put a cap on the euro dollar upside until we see it tomorrow. Now, looking at the weekly chart, key level here is this trend line comes in at 1.30. How's this for writing? 34.23. Put that on your blotter, along with 1.3475, I'd say, right here, which is major support. Those are your two key levels on the downside, although we do have a retracement level that comes in at right here at let's get to this right here. That's 134.59 to 62, which is I think it's 61.8% of the 50%, whatever it is, of the 2014 range of 132.95 to 133.96. That looks like, and on the other side we have 134.62 or 59, whatever is a key support. So that 59.62 level is the target, and I've been mentioning that for a while on the downside. As I said, unless you get above 136.50, upside upticks will be probably look to be sold. Now, we have U.S. data coming out today. It's been tending on the upside. You got to watch how bonds react. In that case, watch 2.50%. You look at the The 4-hour chart, same, no change here. Got this channel top. We've got 134.84 to 130. Now it's 136.50. That's your range. Same on the 1 hour. So sum up, we got 136 will set the tone. Eurodollar upside should be capped until we see at least Eurozone inflation on Tuesday, and then the question is how defensive does the market want to get into the ECB. Regarding the ECB meeting, you'll see here, right here, is our monthly newsletter, and the feature article is, will the ECB do the full Monty? What we do is click on this link here, go to the article. It's really worth reading, but the question is not that whether the ECB will ease, but how much will it ease and how much is already discounted. That's the key, so just click on the link in here. You'll see the article. Good luck and good trading.